It took me 5 years to learn how to design title cards for music videos, but I'm gonna teach you in under 6 minutes. So first things first, where do you even get the inspiration for title card designs? I'm gonna keep it 100% real with you guys. I could totally fake it and be like,
oh, this is my strategy. First, I start with the structure, then I use the rule of thirds.
Pinterest, motherfucking Pinterest. Go to pinterest.com and search title cards. And you will be surprised with how many cool results. I love going to Pinterest for my inspiration for anything creative. So if your editor is like, oh my goodness, I'm just taking somebody else's design, I don't want to like steal their work. There's this quote by Virgil Abloh, which is the rule of 3%, which basically means that innovation is 3% different. So anything that existed before, you just change it by 3% and it can be something completely new. So agree with it, disagree with it. He's kind of got a point. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. This one looks pretty sick. And then I need some fonts, right? Where do I get my fonts? I go to defont.com and basically I can just search up any type of font that I want, and they're completely free here for personal use. So you can look for cartoon ones, fire, ice, decorative, whatever you want. I actually kind of already know what kind of fonts I want to go with right here. So this is how I design title cards. I literally just save the image right here. I'm going to go into Premiere Pro, drag that image onto my timeline, scale up this title card. I'm going to turn the opacity down, and then I'm going to lock this top layer. And now I'm just going to basically use this as my guide. So I'm going to grab my text tool. I'm going to call this title card like that, and I might bring this above the layer so we can see it better. I'm going to go to my effects and control. I'm going to increase the scale, and I'm going to use the Helvetica font because I think that's the most closest one to this. And then we're going to use condensed bold. I'm going to change this to all caps, and I'm going to change it to italics just like that. And then I'm going to make this color that like same-ish, like tannish color as the inspiration. So we're gonna go with that. And then we're going to scale it up just a little bit more and maybe decrease the space in between it, just like that. To make sure everything's centered, I'm gonna go to the properties panel. I'm going to click on this align center and horizontally, and boom, just like that, it's nice and centered. So one design trick I like to have for title cards is using your big header text and then having like a smaller subtext. So I'm going to create a new subtext by just clicking below my title card, and I'm going to use a lorem ipsum generator to get some just random text. Now you can use this text for whatever you want, like, directed by, a production by, your name, whatever you want. And then we're just going to paste this random text right here, just like that. And now one key thing you want to do is whatever font style that you use. So we use Helvetica. You want to use like a different weight font for the subtext. So I use condensed black for the header text. So I'm going to go with regular for this smaller text. And then we're going to bring this down all caps to just like normal text like that. And then I might add a line break somewhere or some spacing. So maybe right here I might do tab so I have some nice spacing, and then I might just hit enter to create a line break like that. And then I might add some just random numbers just to make it feel a little bit like, I don't know, technical, 2025, and then we'll do tab just so it's nice and spaced out, and boom, just like that. Now we have some nice subtext for our title card. Let me just turn off the visibility just so I can see what it looks like on our video real quick. Okay, yeah, that's looking pretty clean so far. Now I'm going to hold Option or Alt on our main title card, drag it up a layer so we have a duplicate layer, and then I'm going to change the color from this to red to match that same inspiration title card. And now I'm going to change it to a script font. So my favorite script font is Birds of Paradise. This one is just really cool. It's like totally up to whatever you want to do, but it works best when it's not in all caps. And then we can just scale it up like this so it kind of matches. And yeah, that's looking super clean right now. Another fun design trick is when you combine scripts with like monotype fonts, it looks super clean and just like aesthetic. One last thing I love to do for my title cards is add some icons to make it feel like a film. So the Motion Picture Association logo is like one of the best ones to do this with. So I literally just grabbed a screenshot of it just like that, and then I dragged it into my project. I'm changing the blend mode to screen, and I'm going to scale it down to make it super nice and tiny. And we're going to put this like directly in the middle like that. And then I'm going to add a tint effect to it and then just match that white color to this nice like tannish color that we use. And there you guys have it, a super clean looking title card. Oh, one last thing I'm going to do is add a Gaussian blur to our script text on font. This is completely optional. This is just because I like to do it. It just makes it look a little bit more textured and like not super sharp and clear. But yeah, there we have it, a nice looking title card. But as you guys saw, this took a lot of time to make this title card from scratch. We had to design everything, download the fonts, download all these images and everything. So I actually have a free title card sample template linked down below. And on our website, we also have a pack of over 50 title card designs. And on our website, we actually have a pack of over 50 pre-designed title card templates that you can literally just drag and drop into Premiere Pro. They're super easy to use and you get this free sample template. One other last way I love to add title cards really fast is using our auto edit music video plugin. So the auto edit music video plugin has a title card applier right here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different templates pre-designed, preloaded into the plugin. And some of them actually have animations on them. I literally just click insert at playhead and boom, just like that, we get some instant title cards added. There's even some like noise texture going on right here. And all these templates are super customizable. I can go to my properties panel and change this to whatever I want. And it looks super sick and it's already pre-designed. So if you want to check out the auto edit plugin, I've also linked down to it below. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you want to learn how to automatically edit your music videos to the beat of the song and add visual effects and title cards, you can check out this video linked right here.